Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 8, but sadly this tablet has not yet been launched in India. According to some leaks and rumors, Xiaomi Pad 8 will be launched on 10th of March 2026. As I can see, there are two variants of Xiaomi Pad 7. One comes with Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor and another comes with 8 Gen Elite processor. Many people are confused between Oneplus Pad 3 and Xiaomi Pad 8. So they are asking me which tablet will be best. Actually, if you closely look at the specs of these two tablets, on paper both of these tablets are very good. There is no problem whatsoever. But I think OnePlus Pad 3 has a clear edge because the software is more polished on this Pad 3 compared to Xiaomi Pad 8. Display will be equally good because you will get 800 nits of peak brightness on Xiaomi Pad 8 with 345 ppi. So you will thoroughly enjoy multimedia content on both Xiaomi Pad 8 and OnePlus Pad 3. But difference will be there in software update. OnePlus pushes smooth software update, whereas Xiaomi Pad 8 software update will not be as smooth as OnePlus Pad 3. Plus, Xiaomi Pad 8 will not be able to push a smooth update. There will be bugs compared to Pad 3, and also the update cycle will be frequent on OnePlus Pad 3, so this is an added advantage for OnePlus Pad 3. OnePlus Pad 3 has a better software optimization. However, Xiaomi Pad 7 will also have a very good software experience as it comes with HyperOS 3.0, but you will feel more polished software experience on OnePlus Pad 3. Writing experience will be equally good on both of these two devices. Xiaomi Pad 7 comes with Focus Pen, whereas OnePlus Pad 3 will come with Stylo 2.0. Now coming to the price point, you can buy OnePlus Pad 3 12GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage at a price point of 40,000 rupees during sale. But I think the price of Xiaomi Pad 8 will be higher than OnePlus Pad 3. So you can judge the price when this tablet will be launched in India. But as of now, I think OnePlus Pad 3 is better than Xiaomi Pad 8. If I had to choose between these two devices, I would have definitely chosen OnePlus Pad 3. Now I will make another video when this tablet will be launched in India. So stay tuned for that video, and if you want to know the best price of each and every tablet, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload any video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.